What are we doing today?
Science with Daddy.
And it looks like with Figment too. Why is Figment on the table?
Because they're releasing a new ride.
No, not releasing a new ride. It's the anniversary of the ride.
It's the anniversary of Figment's ride. Figment just
Did you know the
never
Figment
came.
ride is older than Mommy and Daddy? Her face. Okay, science. We're doing science. So, what's our lesson today? I'm going to actually stand up this time so that we can see in the bowl. What's our lesson today?
Making boats.
Read your lesson.
Tim made a toy boat. He put it in a pan of water. He wants to have fun with it. How can he make the boat go?
All right. It says circle the ways you think will make, or circle the ways you think will work. Okay, let's go through them. He could push it with his finger. Do you think that would make the boat go?
Let's see if it would. Kind of. See? Yeah.
So, do you have a pencil?
Why can't we just use our fingers? I'm not supposed
Let her have it, and then you can get another one.
Ah, sorry.
Go get another pencil, another one.
All right. So, will this one work?
Yeah.
So we'll circle the number. He could pull it with a magnet.
No.
Try it.
Wait. Can I go get a magnet that we used for the last one?
Of what you were expecting.
Sorry.
All right, try it with that magnet.
Try it with this magnet.
Okay. Yeah. Apparently, no. It only sticks.
The first time she tried it, she held it up to this side of the boat, and it actually pushed it away because it's the same needle that we used on the last experiment.
Oh.
Okay. Okay.
Try
So,
what?
yeah. Technically, yes.
That was actually, do that again.
Rebekah, watch. Oh, it attracted that time.
Wait. It went the wrong way.
So can you push it with a magnet?
Yes.
Can you
Push
pull it
or
with a
pull
magnet?
Oh,
So
yes.
circle it.
I pulled it. Wow, the first
Read number 3.
he could wish for it to go.
Okay, let's all do it. Let's wish.
Tell Figment to wish.
I wish that the boat would float.
Does wishing for it make it move? No.
Maybe not here, maybe at Disney.
Could blow on the water. Oh, that works.
Blowing on the water works? Not the boat. The water.
The boat.
No.
Try that again though. Blow on the water. Yes.
So, circle this one. He could. That's the one I just went. So he could.
No.
Wow. Blow on the sail.
Park Madeline.
Let's try
Yes.
it. Yep.
What's the last one?
What's the last one?
He could blow up a
Balloon.
balloon and make
Wind.
Wind to move the sail. Oh, I can try.
Go get a balloon. Did you find a balloon? All right, blow it up. Or laugh.
Blow it up.
All right, try that again. Blow. Rebekah, take a deep breath in. Now blow. No. You ready? Blow it up. Blow it up bigger. All right, let's turn the boat. All right, blow it up again and hold it until you get it right at your boat, okay? Daddy, can you hold the boat right here? Blow it up. You can do it. Blow. Blow the balloon. Now pinch it. Pinch it. Hold it really tight.
Yes.
Is science fun?
Yes. And laughing. What does it say now?
It says, could you make a boat like Tim's? Yes, we can. We made a boat like Tim's.
Yeah, except for the rock paper. And bigger paper. I'm a big wave.
So, there are many ways to make toys move, right?
Mm-hmm.
We can name 3 ways you can make toys move.
Air, water,
And
and
air, water, and
magnets.
magnets. All right, silly you. What do we say to everybody?
Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching.
Say,
Bye.
say we'll see you next time.
We'll see you next time.
Say bye.
Imagine bye.